A sad day for us in Meru County. The first case of coronavirus to test positive has been found. So far, we have been praying day and night so that we don't have such a case in Meru. But unfortunately, we have one now. The case we have is a lady, a young lady who is 23 years old from Egoji in South Imenti, sub-county, who was working in guthima. She was among the 71 persons who were randomly tested on Saturday. 70 turned out to be negative, but unfortunately this lady turned out to be positive. The lady does not show any symptoms at all of coronavirus, and the minister has taken a swift action to isolate the lady. Right now she's been taken for treatment at Meru Level 5 Hospital.